Do you ever feel sometimes like the weight of life's challenges has left you completely drained? As if you're running on empty with nothing left to give. Maybe you feel stuck in a cycle you can't seem to break. Or perhaps you feel a profound sense of disconnection from the person you know you're deep down. If this resonates with you, please know this: you are not alone in this experience. The journey of healing does take courage. It's the courage to face what's difficult and to be gentle with yourself. But here is a profound truth. You already possess everything you need within you to rebuild your strength and rise again. It's not about finding something new, but uncovering the resilience that has always been there. In this video, I'll gently guide you through 5 powerful steps to help you build that inner strength and heal from within. These are practical, actionable steps you can start today. Our first and perhaps most crucial step is awareness. Every journey of transformation begins with this simple act of seeing, because you can't change what you don't acknowledge. So I invite you to become a gentle observer of your inner world. Take a few quiet moments each day to simply notice the river of your thoughts, the ebb and flow of your feelings, and especially the tone of your inner voice. Is that voice a supportive friend or a harsh critic? Think of this awareness as gently shining a light into a dimly lit room. It's not about judging what you find, but simply illuminating it. This light reveals the subtle patterns that have been running on autopilot, shaping your experience without your consent. Let's try a simple practice. Take one slow, deep breath. Now just notice one thought or feeling that is present. Don't try to fix it, simply acknowledge it. In your mind, you can gently say, "I see you." This is where your healing begins. Once you're aware, the natural next step is to welcome compassion. True healing isn't about achieving perfection. It's about the quiet, radical act of being gentle with yourself, especially when you feel you deserve it least. It's about offering yourself tenderness. We all stumble, we all make mistakes. It's a universal part of the human experience. So instead of beating yourself up with harsh criticism, pause and take a breath. Gently remind yourself with these powerful words: "I am human, I am learning." Think about how you'd speak to a close friend if they were struggling. You'd offer warmth and understanding, not judgment. Now practice turning that same voice inward. Can you give those same words of kindness and unconditional support to yourself? Awareness and compassion grow stronger when you support them with daily practices. They are like muscles that need gentle, consistent exercise. It's these small, repeated actions woven into the fabric of your day that create lasting strength and resilience. You might start by journaling for just 5 minutes each morning. Write whatever comes to mind without judgment, or list 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act helps you process your thoughts and notice the good that already surrounds you, building a foundation of positivity. Even gentle movement, like stretching outside or walking in nature, reconnects you to your body and brings calm to your mind. This simple act of presence grounds your spirit and brings a deep restorative calm. Feel the earth beneath your feet and the air on your skin. To grow stronger, you must protect your energy. This isn't about building walls, but about cultivating a sacred space within. It means learning to set healthy boundaries. Think of a tree. Its roots hold firm, drawing in the nourishment it needs, while its thick bark protects it from harm. You are the same. Your boundaries allow you to decide what you let in, ensuring your inner world remains a place of peace. Finally, we come to affirmations. The words you consistently repeat to yourself are the architects of your reality. They are instructions for your subconscious mind. Begin with simple, powerful statements. Try saying, "I am strong and resilient. I am worthy of peace. I am becoming my true self." These are not just words. They're seeds of profound truth. Plant them in your mind. Water them daily with belief and repetition, and they will grow into an unshakable forest of inner strength. Building inner strength and healing from within is not a race to the finish line. It's a gentle, unfolding process. Be patient with yourself. It's about taking small, steady, intentional steps forward, each one honoring your progress. Remember this truth. Especially on difficult days, you are inherently stronger than you know, and your healing is already unfolding like a quiet river flowing to the sea. Your transformation is happening. If this video helped you, save it for later. Share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe for more tools to help you discover your inner strength.